We have to play both sides. The difference is not big. Between our position and the third in the league, there is only 3 points. It's largely in our hands. For the cup, we have to do everything. It's a Kaiser Chief. It doesn't mean that it's only a possibility to go to CAF. To CAF competition through Nedbank. No, we want as a big club, as a Kaiser Chief, to go back to winning trophies, even if we don't go anywhere, but to go back to have the habit of winning trophies.
Sharp video was it, Bafetu. Thank you for tuning in to Strut the Stories. On this one today, we got you Kaizer Chiefs coach Nabi on his briefing at the press conference against their clash with Stellenbosch FC. He's speaking about how he wants the dynamics of the team to cover play, and there's a lot of speculations about you can Nabi make it to their last 4, because a lot of people are have already rated Kaizer Chiefs out of this ones. But please let me know what you think about this down below the comment section. It's your news from your boy Isaac. Why so nice? Mtaru Nchumba City Hawema Ngoba Uqim Ushelele.